Hello everyone, welcome back to the journey of learning Abacus with Fatima. Now let us start with the first question. 3 plus 3 plus 4. Now 3, I place the number first. Now I need to add 3 again. Now what will I do? I need 3 more beads. I don't have enough beads. So what should I do? Okay, now let me remind you, 3 is used for small friends and 3 is also used for big friend. Do you remember small friends? So how to decide when to use big friend and when to use small friend addition formulas? So this is what we are going to learn today. Today's lesson is very important, so watch it carefully till the end. Many students get confused about when should we use small friends, when to use big friends, and how to identify the correct formula. So don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand it very clearly with easy examples and practice questions. So in this video, we are going to understand when to use small friend and when to use big friend formula. I hope you are practicing your abacus regularly. If you need any help, do let me know in the comments below. Now, let us look at this paper. Can you see small friends? We have learnt already small friends, addition and subtraction. So, small friend numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Whereas big friend numbers has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Did you notice something? The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are repeating in small friends and big friends. This means they have two formulas. One for small friend and other one for big friends. Do you remember the small friends? Do you remember the big friends? Yes? Do you remember we have learnt more than 15 formulas? If you haven't watched my videos on small friends and big friend addition, you will find the link in my description box. Look at this paper. We need to understand there are 3 conditions. First, direct addition. Second condition, small friend addition. And the third one is big friend addition. Okay, so anytime when you come across these type of sums, you have to understand there are 3 conditions. The first condition, always go for direct addition. If you cannot do direct addition, then the option goes the second one, that is small friend addition. If small friend addition is also not possible, then you have to go for big friend addition. Okay, we will understand this with the help of these examples. Let us start. The first one, 3 plus 3 plus 4. So first I place the number 3 here. Now 3. So direct 3, is it possible? No. Can I do direct addition? No. So direct addition is not possible. So the second thing is I have to look for small friend. Can I use small friend? Yes. I can use 5. So small friend addition of 3. Do you remember the friend of 3? The small friend of 3 is? Correct. It is 2. So we add 5 and less 2. Okay, and the next one, 4. The next number is 4 here. So first option, direct addition. Can we do direct addition here? No, direct addition is not possible. Next one, small friend. Now 4 is a small number, right? So can I use small friend? No, I cannot use small friend because 5 bead is already in use. So I have to go for the third one, that is the big friend addition. So now this 4 I have to add using big friend addition. Who's the big friend of 4? 6. Very good. So what is the formula here? Add 10 and less the friend of 4, that is 6. So my answer is 10. Next one. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Now first thing is 4. I place the number first. Again I need to add 4. Can I do direct addition? No, I have used all the beads. Lower beads are in use. So addition of 4. The next one is small friend. Can I do small friend here? Yes, I can use the 5 here. So who's the friend of 4? 1. Very good. So add 5 less 1. Correct. Now next 4. Again let us check. Can I do direct addition? No. Can I use small friend? No. So I have to use big friend now. Though 4 is a small number, I still have to use big friend addition formula. Okay. So what is the formula for big friend 4? That is add 10. And who's the big friend of 4 now? Good. It is 6. So we add 10 less 6. My answer is 12. Always remember, we have to go for direct beads. If direct beads are not possible, you use small friend addition. If not, then you have to use big friend addition formula. Now we are going to solve some more sums using these 3 conditions. By solving these sums, you will gain a good understanding whether we have to do it directly or we should use small or big friend formula. Let us begin. Always remember 3 conditions: direct addition, small friend and big friend. Okay, the first one, 3 plus 4 plus 8. So we place the number first, 3 plus 4. Direct addition, not possible. Go for small friend. Small friend, yes, I can do it. So who's the friend of 4? 1. So add 5 less 1. Now add 8. We all know 8 is a big number. So what is the formula for big friend addition of 8? It is add 10 less 2. My answer is 15. 4 plus 4. We place the number first, plus 3. Now 3. Direct addition, we cannot do it. Small friend, yes. And number 3. Small added 5 less the of 3, that's 2. Add 4. Now again, direct addition of 4 is not possible. More also we go. So over here we use big friend 4. That is 10 less 6. My answer is 7. Next one. 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 3. Direct addition, not possible. Small friend, yes. So small friend is add 5 less 2. 4. Direct addition, not possible. Small friend, not possible. So we have to use the big friend formula. That is add 10 less 6. My answer is 10. Next one, 3 plus 2 plus 5. So 3 plus 2 plus 2. Direct addition, not possible. Small friend, yes, we can do it. So who's the friend of 2? 3. Very good. So the formula says add 5 and less 3. Now add 5. How will I add 5? Direct addition is not possible and 5 is also a big number. So it is add 10 less 5. My answer is 10. Next one, 34 plus 3 plus 3. 34 plus 3. How will I do plus 3? Direct addition I cannot do. Can I use small friend? Yes, I can. That is add 5 less 2. Add 3. Again add 3. I can't do it. Direct addition I cannot do. Small friend also I cannot do. So I have to use the big friend now. That is add 10. And who's the friend of 3? 7. So less 7. My answer is 40. Next one. 11 plus 4 plus 5. 11 plus 4. Direct addition I cannot do. Small friend, yes, I can use small friend. That is add 5 and less the friend of 4. That is 1. 5. 5 is a big number. So big friend, that is add 10 less 5. My answer is 20. Next, 25 plus 3 plus 2. 25 plus 3. Can I do it directly? Yes. Plus 2. I cannot do directly. I cannot even use the small friend. So I have to use the big friend now. Who's the friend of 2? In big friend, who's the friend of 2? That is 8. Very good. So add 10 less 8. My answer is 30. The last one. 54 plus 2 plus 4. 54 plus 2. Direct addition I cannot do. Plus 2 I need to use small friend. That is add 5 less 3. Now add 4. Again direct addition I cannot do. So over here I have to use small friend. No. I have to use big friend. Okay, that is add 10 less 6. My answer is 60. If you have found my video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima. I hope you are now clear when to use small friend and when to use big friend formula. If you enjoy watching our video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Abacus class. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima.